Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you another case of again, lower cost install. You get a very good deal someplace and you always think, okay, why would I pay more for just the radio working? So in this case, the customer came by to change the radio and complain about road noises on the speakers and everything. So we opened the back of the radio and we saw what previous installers did. So first of all, they butchered the wires, they cut them all very short, close by to the connectors. If you ever need to reconnect it, it's not possible. They use bad connectors, and as you can see, there's a lot of wires that are exposed that are not really fully covered properly. None of the connections has been soldered. Everything is done this way, just taped around, or bad connectors. Now the main issues that they did here, they got a bit lazy, and instead of adding all the connections to the speakers, they just decided to make one joint ground connection. Now the problem with that instead of going through the radio with the proper filters that are built into the radio, it actually goes to the vehicle ground, and every road noise, every sound that goes through that ground, you can hear it. Again, lower cost connection sounds always tempting, but when it's done improperly, what happens is you pay more later to fix it and you end up paying twice for the same job. If you want to have the job done properly, you can always contact us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel on the left corner, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.